Hi everybody, I am Qasim El Saad, the General Director and the Chairman of the Board of Trustees of Developmental Action Without Borders Naba'a. Our programs reach different stakeholders in the community regardless of their nationality, religion, etc. Naba'a has the power to change lives of children, youth and parents. The diversity in our programs is also encouraging over 14,000 children. What do we care is to provide equality models to children, women and youth. Another high point was the completion of our 5-year strategic plan. We have committed to doubling our revenue and the children reached by 2018. It defines how our team continues to bring sustainable change to children. To everyone who supports us and believes in the power of Naba'a, thank you. In the last 10 years, we face a lot of obstacles and violations against children. Problems with parents, communication with their children, discrimination, corporal punishment in schools, and ambiguous Lebanese laws related to this issue. Throughout the year, Naba'a worked hard to respond to the violations against children in the country. One of the mechanisms and the projects is the recreational activities and after-school support for children that build their school skills. Working with parents to strengthen their understanding of young children's rights and needs. Building the awareness of teachers about the rights of the child. Establishing a complaint mechanism system where children whom are exposed to violence and abuse can access it easily. Providing structured psychosocial activities in addition to the one-to-one individual sessions with the psychologist specialist. During the last years, one of the most important challenges that faced the civil rights organizations and child rights organizations is child abuse and trafficking. We put all our efforts to tackle with this problem, particularly after the Syrian crisis. Naba'a achievements reduced the high prevalence of human rights violations, mainly related to physical humiliation and trafficking. This is achieved through establishment of a referral mechanism for identified cases of trafficking and substance abuse through agreements with recognized referral centers and certified local psychosocial specialists. Around 3,000 children and adolescents were referred. Yearly advocacy campaign conducted by children to elevate public understanding of appreciation of the human rights and the protection particularly for children and women. One of the most important violations against children is rights of education. A lot of children were outside of schools. There are 297 registered students. The non-enrolled comprise 3.3% and the dropouters 7.9% in the first cycle, 10.3% in the second cycle and 11.8% in the third cycle. In addition, the education program is also focused on enhancing the self-esteem and building the personality of the children. 4,000 children, including children with disability, joining early child development program. Upon our research, one of the most important violations against children is child labor. 3,250 out-of-school children participated in the basic numeracy and literacy program, where 45% referred to the mainstream education. Providing vocational training and life skills program reached till now 2,250 adolescents. Raising awareness, the owner of the shops, about the rights of the children, particularly protection. The other important challenges that faced our child rights organization is early marriage. According to the study done by USJ, 13% among Lebanese and 23% among Syrian refugees. Article 505 of the Lebanese Penal Code states the following: anyone who engages in sexual acts with a minor below 15 years of age is punishable by life imprisonment. We respond to this challenge since 2008, implementing a reproductive health program to respond to the needs of the community. Reproductive health was largely based on a model of integrating reproductive health services with the health advice, counseling and health promotion, consisting of gynecologists, health educators and psychosocial counselors. Reached till now around 25,000 young and adolescent girls and women. Let's not wait another 26 years after the Lebanese government ratified the Convention of the Rights of the Child. Let's gather all the efforts of all civil rights and child rights organizations to make a change of the life of the children. Thank you.